What's up YouTube? New tool day here in the shop, and I'm excited because this tool in particular is something I've wanted to buy for quite a while. It's a Milwaukee M12 electric screwdriver. Now these are perfect for vehicle interiors, tight spaces, and really fasteners that you just don't want to over torque. All right, enough talking about it. Let's see what's inside. Well, it looks like it comes in a nifty carrying case. So included in the kit, you get the electric screwdriver, an M12 charger, 2 CP 1.5 lithium batteries, obviously the owner's manual, and a number 2 Phillips bit. Okay, quick thing about the carrying case. This is a really nice carrying case, but the problem is I never hold on to these things because they just take up room in my shop, because the tools end up going in a toolbox, the charger stays out on my workbench. This thing is so nice, you could actually end up using this thing as a lunchbox. Check it out. You've got a sandwich holder, place for your condiments, place for yogurt, place for your drink. Okay, so first impressions out of the box. Wow, this thing is awesome. It feels great in my hands. And one of the first things I look for in power tools is ambidextrous clip locations. I'm left-handed, so the first things I like to do is switch this to the left-handed position. Not that I ever clip this to myself or anything, it's just one of those things that makes me feel special as a left-handed person. I know, it's stupid, but let me do that real quick. All right, so now that we've got the clip on my preferred side, let's go ahead and slap in a battery here. That's so much fun every time because I'm a nerd. Let's see, forward, reverse, as expected. I like how the LED work light stays lit even when your finger is off the trigger. So when you're stuck under a dark space or a dash, you can see what you're still working on without having to, rotate the thing. 15 position clutch adjustment, plus a drill setting, which just means no clutch adjustment. What I'm most excited about from an efficiency standpoint is this 1/4 inch one-handed hex chuck thing that they talk about. What they mean by that is you got your hex bit, one-handed in. Okay, no big deal, most of them do that, but check this out. One-handed out. No more fumbling around, holding the tool between your knees. I think you've seen in my previous videos with my other tool, I'm just sitting there like, got my leg here and all that. So it's pretty cool. From an efficiency standpoint, I like that. You can keep your hand on the tool and just change the implement out with one hand. These batteries are small, so there is no indicator on there. So on the tool, there is a battery indicator gauge right there. So that's handy. Specs-wise, this is 0 to 500 RPM. You get a variable speed control with the trigger. This is rated to 175 inch-pounds or around 14 foot-pounds. But again, you're using this for, screws, delicate fasteners. It's a screwdriver, not an impact or a drill. Size-wise, speaking of drill, size-wise, this thing is only 2 pounds. This is what I used to use as an electric screwdriver. This is overkill. I'd always have this thing on the first #1 setting. I'd still, strip things out, whether it's self-tapping screws. And then 2, holding it under dashes and whatever. It's just tough to fit this thing. This thing is much smaller and a welcome addition to my toolbox. If you're just now stumbling upon my channel, realize these opinions are coming from the automotive standpoint. I am house, carpentry, stupid. But will it do house things? Sure, it'll do house things. It's a screwdriver. But that's as far as my opinion goes on that. Anyway, let's go ahead and build something. All right, so thoughts and opinions. Yeah, I really like this thing. Glad I bought it. Don't know why it took me so long. Something I failed to mention earlier is it's got a 5-year warranty on the tool, a 2-year warranty on the battery. So I'm gonna hold on to this for a while. Definitely stay tuned on the channel for a long-term review. I've got some projects I plan on putting it through its paces. In the meantime, definitely more appropriate size of a screwdriver than a full-size drill. But until then, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to drop a comment below, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.